Hi, just wanted to make this video to let everyone know that I appreciate your love and support. Thank you for following me. Thank you for your ideas and for all your requests. I'm still trying to get to everybody. It's a lot of emails and a lot of messages, so bear with me. Be patient. I'll get to you eventually. But just know I'm still taking requests. If you have any ideas, requests for songs, what you would like to hear for me to post on to my channel, onto these videos, let me know and I'll get around to it. Just be patient, okay? Anyway, in the meantime, keep the music coming, all right?